Hello everyone, today I'm gonna create an AI news assistant which will update me every single day about my field or give news about my field, updated news. So let's begin this video. So first of all we need to go to the platform known as N8N, which is the most common platform in automation. After going to there we need to create a workflow. After creating a workflow we'll find this type of interface. After getting this type of interface we need to add a node. Click on this add first step item button. Then we need to add a node known as on a schedule. It will automatically trigger the workflow every single day at 8 a.m. Like for example I will set it 8 a.m. every single days. You can every single minute or seconds as you want. So this will automatically trigger our workflow every single day at 8 a.m. Next thing we need to do is add another node known as RSS read. This node will push articles or news from the website RSS link you have provided it. I will here provide the techcrunch.com, which is an AI website publishing articles and news on daily basis on their website. You can get this ask ChatGPT that get or suggest you some RSS links of famous websites that are publishing news or updates in your field. It may be cyber, it may be tech related or any A related field. After adding this link, you need to execute it, and as you can see, it has pushed 20 articles with creator, title, link, and much more. So as you can see, it has pushed 20 articles from their website to our workflow. Next thing we need to add is add a limit node will help us to limit the articles. We don't need 20 articles, we just need 5 articles. We need to max item 5. We don't need 20 articles. So first 5 items or last 5 articles, or first article 5 articles, you can choose it whatever for is best for you. As you can see, it has outputted 5 articles. There are no other articles. Next thing we need to do is to add an edit field node. Edit field node, this will there are much more things that we don't need. There are much more things like link guide or other thing that we don't need. So we will only drag and drop things which we need, like creator name, like title, that just drag and drop, and the content. So after this we need to execute it. As you can see, we have creator, title, and content, these 3 categories. Next thing we need to do is to add an summarization node, which will summarize all of these articles, all of these 5 articles. So you can add a 5,000 word summary or 1,000 word summary, that is by default. Let's execute it. Oh sorry, I didn't add a model. We need to add a model. I will use the open router chat model. Create a credential here. If you have not one, you can search on Google open router API key. You will find out the platform and sign up there and get your API key. After that we need to select a model. There are much many paid model, but I will use the free one known as Mistral. Some version of Mistral are also paid, but we will use the free one. So it will like uh, summarize all of these articles, every single articles. Next thing we need to do is to like append or combine all of these 5 articles into one output. We, as you can see, if I will like as you can see, it has pushed 5 articles, created summary of every single article, and we have 5 outputs. Now we need to convert these 5 outputs into one. So we will use a node known as aggregate. This node will combine all of these output into one single output, as you can see. So we have only one output in which we have 5 summaries. Next thing we need to do is to add an AI agent, the main part of this workflow. The AI agent. Okay, so we have added the node AI agent. Firstly, we need to connect the model. I will use again open router chat model. Open router Mr. Deftrel again. I will use it. Mr. Deftrel free. Sorry, Mr. Deftrel. Okay, so there we go. We have connected our chat model with AI agent. Next thing, we need to give him a memory that he can store the outputs of like aggregate node. So there we go. We have given him a simple memory and a model chat model. Remember that the simple memory node will only store the output generated from the previous node, which is aggregate here. So next thing we need to do is give this AI agent a prompt. We should give him a prompt that the news that this all of this summary you should analyze all of this summary and create a simple and understandable summary or bullet points for me as you want. Okay, so I will add a prompt here. So as you can see, I have added the prompt here. Let me show you. As you can see, I have added the whole prompt area, professional summary analyzer agent inside an AI agent. You can read all of this. Expected output are unique date, relevant bullet point summary with clear topic titles written in simple English containing 8 to 10 total bullet lines. So you need to give him a proper instruction. This agent should know what he is doing. Then when we will execute the step, it will create a short summary with bullet points with main headings and bullet points of all of these articles. So as you can see, we have organized and optimized all of these articles into little summaries, and then we have extracted the main and the valuable information which we need to read. So after generating these bullet point, we need to add a Gmail tool. You can add a Telegram tool or add a Discord wherever you want your news. I will prefer mostly Gmail because it's easy and basic. Everyone knows it. Send a message. We need to add this note. Send a message Gmail note. You should connect Gmail account here. If not, go there and sign in with Google. The Gmail account will automatically add it to this note. We don't need to change any other setting. We just need to paste our email here. If we want to send this email to our friends, or if we want to send this email to ourselves, we should add our email or their email. So let me add it. You can see I have filled up my email and the subject and the message I want to send to the email. So this is it. Let's execute this once more. It will trigger automatically, then it will fetch articles. After that, the articles are organized well and the summarization of every single article is generated. After that, we will get 5 outputs. The outputs will combine into one, and the one output will be sent it to AI agent, which will summarize or make that information understandable for us in bullet points or maybe headings or maybe paragraphs as you want it. After the generation of the summary here, it will send to this tool. This tool will automatically send the email to us every single day or every single minute or every single hour as you want. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and do subscribe.